What, Oliver? What? Oliver, what? Huh? What? What, Oliver? Huh? No, Oliver, get... I want... You look very cute up there, but... Oliver, you want to come upstairs? I'm going upstairs to get ready. You want to hang out upstairs with me? Do you, Philly? Philly, you want to come upstairs with me? What? Oliver? Huh? What is this? What are that little noise? Huh? What? You had a very good breakfast. And you're looking very handsome in your sweater. What? I love you. All right, guys, come upstairs with me. Come upstairs with me. All right, I'm going upstairs.